the most charming, wonderful guy from UPS. Always smiling, always happy, amazing guy. Drop 200 or maybe 250 pounds, a monster 11 by 24 Persian rug to my warehouse, all the way from Missouri to Florida, to be clean from dog pee-pee. So I received this rug on Friday, and on Saturday I start cleaning the rug. I open the package, of course, I lay the rug, but the rug is bigger than my floor. My floor is 18 feet, and the rug is 24 almost. Let me show you how I clean this rug. It takes me 2 days to clean it, and I guarantee color will never run, and guarantee urine odor removal. Let me show you how the system working. Here is some good advice from me, Mayor Martin. If you're having Oriental rug like this, super size, and you're having a urine problem, pet problem, your dog, your cat, whatever, and you're looking to clean this rug and remove the urine odor, please, when you call around to all your Oriental rug carpet cleaner around you, ask them, do you guarantee in writing the color will never run? And the second question is, I want you to remove the urine odor. I don't want you to cover it up with a deodorizer and chemical smell. You pay me to remove the odor. You didn't pay me to put deodorize on the rug. You can do it yourself to put deodorize on the rug. It costs you $10. You're looking to remove the odor permanently. And the urine crystal that make the odor, the factory of making bad odor, is deep inside the foundation of the rug, where is the nuts, the wool and the cotton tied together. There is the location of the urine crystal. By washing the rug through from the top to the bottom, not from left to right, top to bottom, you will remove the urine crystal. But you have to build the PetPeePee machine and using natural, odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea. And this is what I accomplish. The reviews on Google prove that what I promise, I deliver. Enjoy my video. Thank you very much, Mr. Blade from Missouri. And I guarantee upon deliver, no trace of urine odor. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. After cleaning 75% of the rug, I let it dry overnight because the rug right now it's very fragile. If I pull the rug, I may tear it apart. So I will leave the rug for the next morning. Next morning, I come in over, I move the rug, and the rest 25%, even 35%, I put it on the vacuum floor number 5 and 6, and I wash it again. After I wash it completely, many times, I have in my other bay all the equipment to test if the rug is crystal free. And when it's free completely, that's it. I leave the rug on the floor, let it dry the same thing like a night before, and Monday morning when I'm coming to the warehouse, I can hang the rug because it's almost dry. Thank you very much for watching Pet PeePee.